Yes, I'm Lukwago Swari in a quick one on what information warfare is all about. Okay, information warfare refers to the strategic use of information to influence, disrupt, or corrupt the decision-making process of adversaries while protecting one's own information and decision-making processes. In information warfare, we have key components like psychological operations, where we influence perceptions, attitudes, and behaviors. We also have a component called cyber warfare, disrupting or exploiting digital information systems. We also have a component called electronic warfare, disrupting or exploiting electronic communications. We also have propaganda, spreading biased or misleading information. We have disinformation, spreading false information to deceive or manipulate the society. We also have counter information, countering adversaries' information campaigns. Okay? Objectives of information warfare: shape public opinions, influence policy decisions, disrupt command and control, undermine credibility, gain strategic advantage. Tactics used in information warfare: we have social media manipulation, fake news and propaganda outlets, okay, hacking and links, cyber attacks and data breaches, psychological profiling, a method used to create a psychological portrait of an individual or groups, highlighting their personality traits, behavioral patterns, motivations, values, attitudes, interests, strengths, weaknesses. This information helps to predict and understand their decision-making processes, behavioral responses, communication styles, conflict resolution strategies, and emotional reactions. Okay, so we have the 4 C's of the 21st century skills. Critical thinking, where we happen to find solutions to the problems within our societies. Creativity, thinking outside the box. Collaboration, working with others. Communication, conveying ideas. Okay, so we are unfortunate that we have a complex political landscape on the African continent, in particular Uganda, Rwanda, Democratic Republic of Congo. Let us focus on Uganda. Okay? Where, to make it worse, we have a gullible, docile, sensation society that can easily be manipulated, that has got no capacity to reach to a conclusive end of any political, social, economic events. They just jump on each and every diversion being brought up by them 7 media hegemony. Okay? But why? Simply because of the low levels of civic competence. Museveni denied the Ugandans access to education. He banned the study of political science in secondary school. Actually, political science would produce many critical thinkers, people who would think, okay? People who would sit down to find solutions to the societal problems. Ugandans cannot do. We've found ourselves actually relying on intellectuals, intellectual dependence. We wait for Wamushana to make half-baked analyses for us. Analyses that favor Museveni. We wait for Andrew Mwenda. Now we are saying no. we are saying no. We are not so intelligent. We are not so wise. But we are here to assert our voices. It is so absurd that the regime still has control over the flow of information. We are not going to allow that to happen in this 21st century, where technological advancement has helped us to surpass the 7 media hegemon. He no longer has monopoly over what we should consume and what we should not consume. Ugandans, wake up. We can only overcome this dictatorial regime actually by investing more in human capital, education. Those in diaspora, actually you can invest in universities, vocational training institutes, okay, to help in the raising of the level of civic competence. When the society is educated, it cannot be taken for granted. Actually, they can even put up a strong resistance to the status quo, because they can have the capacity to critically think and analyze. Thank you so much.